How to cancel Super Duolingo. If you have been enjoying Duolingo but are looking to cancel your Super subscription, we have got you covered. To get started, open your preferred web browser like Chrome and sign into your Duolingo account. Make sure you are using the same account associated with your Super Duolingo. Once you are logged in, locate your username in the top right corner of the Duolingo website and click on it to access the drop down menu and then select Settings from the list. Now, in the Settings menu, find the Super Duolingo option on the left hand side and click on it to access your Super Duolingo subscription settings. Within the Super Duolingo settings, you will see the Cancel Subscription option. Click on it and Duolingo will guide you through the cancellation process. Be sure to follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.